Hi guys, it's your girl Jessica Bethany, and I'm back to you guys with another video. And I am coming to you guys with this wig review. It is a Jenni lace wig by Outre. Now, before we get into this wig, I need y'all to go ahead and do me a favor. I need you to go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell button, as well as thumbs up this video because I know you're going to like it here. And subscribe because you know you want to join the team. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this wig. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get into this wig. So what I have my paddle brush. It has a little hair in it. We're gonna dispose of that from my wig earlier. So get rid of that, take that away. Wig caps. I buy packs of wig caps from Amazon. Some got to be, because again, this is a beauty supply wig, so I don't want to stay too long. Scissors to cut the lace. I have some MAC powder, concealer, and a brush, like a makeup brush. You can use any small brush, whatever fits your fancy. Of course, the wig that I am going. This is the wig. It is an Outre melted hairline lace front wig. It is in Jenni and dark chocolate cream. So I'm not a fan of, it's the middle part. I don't know if I can part it another way. If y'all don't know, I'm not the biggest fan of middle parts, but apparently that's what the kids are wearing. So like, apparently everybody and their mom gotta wear a middle part if you want to buy like not a full lace wig and part it yourself. So now the hair is soft. It comes with these little curls right here, like little body yaddy. It is sadly a middle part. I can't change the part, but it does come with the strap of one comb in the back, two on the side. I don't know if y'all can see, two on the side. And as well as the adjustable straps in the back, like all wigs do. Now this wig is, let me see. It is a melted hairline lace front wig. Baby hairs included. Pre-attached wide elastic band. It was $48.99 at the beauty supply store. Sometimes I feel like the beauty supply store be taxing. I just needed a hair, a little hair deep. And I went and got this skirt. And again, it is a middle part. I'm not the biggest fan of a middle part, but we're going to see. I'm doing this for y'all, Now, this is heat safe, heat resistant fiber, high tech, safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm not going to trust that because in my experience, all it does is just straighten the hair out. Like it takes the curls out. Like it's not going to curl the wig itself. In my experience, it just simply just straightens out the hair. So if you wanted to straighten it and get rid of the little curl it has, I would use the heat. But don't try to think you about to curl this hair. In my experience, but we all gotta have our own experience. If you want to go ahead and try it, you like Jessica, you lying, then you go do it, and it curls. Great news. I'm saying from my experience. But let's go ahead and get into this wig.
If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch. I make bloody moves. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club just to party, I'm there, I get paid to pee. I be in and out them banks so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck about who ain't fond of me. Drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months, what bitch working as hard as me? I don't bother with these hoes, don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say ghosts, bitch I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chill with some babes, I might just chill with some food, I might just spill on your babe. My pussy feel like a lake, he wanna swim with his face. I'm like okay, I let him get what he want. He buy me East and Laurent, and then you win. When it go fast as a horse, I got the trunk in the front. I'm the hottest in the street, know you probably heard of me. Got a bag and fix my teeth, hope you hoes know it ain't cheap. And I pay my mama bills, I ain't got no time to chill. don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves. If you a pussy, you get popped. You a goofy, you a op. Don't you come around my way, you can't hang around my block. And I just check my account, turns out I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I put my hand above my hip, I bet you dip, he dip, she dip. I say, I get the money and go, this shit is hot like a stove. My pussy glitter is gold, tell that little bitch play her role. I just don't roll for no rolls, I just came up in a rave. I need to fill up the tank, no, I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these hoes know that none of them niggas is safe. I go to dinner and steak, only the real can relate. I used to live in the peace, now it's the crib with the gate. Really got charms and life off the face. Hard to let these bitches know, just in case these was forgot. I just wanna check the mail, another check from all the shots. That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody move.
So this is the wig so far now for my baby hair girls. She does come with the baby hairs. I'm not really a baby hair girl. Why? Because I don't know how to. I don't know how to lay them. So I'm gonna try a little bit for y'all. But let me go ahead and push them out the way though. Because what I'm about to do is lay this lay the lace. Now my forehead. All y'all complain about y'all big foreheads. You know y'all foreheads work for wigs. Mine's like my little hairline, my little forehead, like my hairline literally is here. I don't have much space to lay this wig. I don't have much space to lay wigs, so I make it work. Like I be feeling like some girls like wigs be like here. And they have like a bunch of they have a bunch of forehead. I don't have that luxury. It's like if I put my wig here, most of my forehead is covered up by the wig, and yeah. So this is how I lay my wigs with my little forehead. Okay.
Got it, known it, I know you want it, I know you want it, I know you want it. Got it, known it, I know you want it, I know you want it. I'm over and check up on it. Got it, flown it, oh I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. I'm over and check up on it. up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma 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 check up on it. I know you want it. I'ma check up on 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 it. I know you want it. I'ma check up on it.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.